In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade the battery on this Dyson V6 cordless vacuum cleaner. It's a very easy job that you can do yourself and is a great option if your battery is dead anyway and you need to buy a new one. The factory battery is only about 2100 milliamp hours, and I believe that you can get batteries that are 4, 5, even 6000 milliamp hours available as an aftermarket battery. Okay, this is Rudy from the Home Improvement channel with another video showing you how to fix things around the house. If you enjoyed this video, please don't subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to another channel that is more deserving than I am. If there was something especially you didn't like about this video, please leave me a thumbs down and also leave a mean comment in the comments. It'll make me feel better when I check them every morning. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive right in. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do real quick here is get this canister out of the way. Now you do that by pushing this lever. See, if you push it once, it just opens the dirt canister. But if you push it and hold it like so, gets that right out of the way. Okay, then you can access the screw. Now there's just two screws that are holding the battery. It's very simple right here. One right here. So just remove that one. Very simple job. Upgrading this is pretty good because the original battery doesn't really last that long. And the other screw is over here on the side above where you plug in the battery at. Just might have to shake it a little bit to get the screw out. Once the screws are out, just simply pull that puppy out. I'm actually not upgrading the battery on this one, but if you do get an upgraded battery, it's exactly the same procedure. All right, so just put let's say this is the new battery, just put that battery back in and put the screws back. That's all there is to it. It's very simple. And then just put the canister back on there. Just like so. It does take a little bit of patience. Close that puppy up. There you go. Very easy job. And thanks for watching.